Hello guys, this is Austin, and this is going to be a quick test of the fire alarm system. Some updates. Of course, we have the i3 detector right up at the top, a Simplex electromechanical horn. I forget the model number off the top of my head. Horn strobe, and that is at 15 candela. That's fixed, and it's going to be coded code 3. We have the ANN 80 annunciator and a Edwards Siga. Then behind it we have the control panel. Originally we had a MS5 UD. Now we have a MS10 UD. As you can see, it's all wired up and in battery power, no troubles. We have a BG8 pull station and Simplex key station that is actually set for drill mode. A Siemens strobe, and then a firelight smoke detector up there. So I'll go ahead and show you the drill switch real quick. Go ahead and test that. And that is auto resettable. Now I'll go ahead and test the signal. So here we go. And that is it. Oh, I forgot to mention, we have a system sensor carbon monoxide detector down here. That was just put in the system, and it's set for auto resettable supervisory right now. And I'm awaiting to get a horn that will be mounted. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. That will activate when this does go off. So we'll go ahead and test that. Okay, I guess it is not auto resettable. Anyways. So there will be some future updates that I'll mention, and I'll do another video about, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching.